Yo, what's good YouTube? Right now I'm at the job site. I'm gonna switch out this 636 and I'm gonna change it to a 750. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna show you the process of it. Right now I'm gonna walk around the house to see where I can put the ladder at. So yeah, let me do that real quick and I'll see you guys on the roof. So right now I already set the ladder up. I put all the material up there. I just couldn't do it with, I just couldn't carry the camera because I had everything. I was wearing gloves, but I left them out in the rain. They got wet and it smells really bad. So what I'm gonna do right now is just go up there and take y'all with me. How to do a double ladder. And that's what we're gonna replace today. With high winds, this right here opens up and water starts dripping down. So I'm gonna replace that real quick. What I'm gonna do first is remove these screws. Alright. Then I'm gonna take off the shingles. Take that off, of course, and yeah, let me go ahead and set the camera down. I was lifting up the shingles right now and I actually found the issue. Look, let me show you guys. Look, when I lift the shingle up, you can see all that ocean. You can't even see it, but there's water literally all right there. So damn, yeah, it's probably coming through this now. Yeah, let me go ahead and take it off and check even more. You can clearly see all this water right here. This is going down. Look at that. Look at that. I need to take a picture of that. Because what in the world, to be honest, I think it's going to be like that everywhere because the roof is very flat. We're going to have to add some TPO or something. That's not good. This is what it looks like right now. You can see all that water. All this, man. Look at that. Well, I don't even think you can see because of the sun, but okay, now. Looks terrible. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off a few more shingles up there and try to create like something where it could like just roll down and not stay there, you know, because that's what this water is doing. So I'm gonna take this off, take a few more shingles out, and probably right there double shingle it or double ice and water so it could like create like a little ramp, you know, so it could roll down. So yeah, right now it's mad hot, but I went ahead and put some ice and water. Like I double layered it, so if water does come down, it can have like, it can just roll down and not just sit there. And I just went down there to go get some more ice and water. I'm gonna put another layer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start shingling, put the 750 on, and yeah, I'm gonna set the camera down and do that real quick. Well, actually a lot. I can't put the camera down because my memory card just said I have 4 minutes left, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out something and then go ahead and go buy a new memory card. So my fault, guys, for that. I really wanted to set it down, but I'll see what I'm gonna have to come up with. It is burning hot right now. Like, it's really burning hot. I'm trying to save as much battery as I can. Memory since I can. So this is where I'm at right now. I already placed it down. I started putting ice and water. Now it's all left I gotta do is put shingles. So yeah, that'll be it. I'll catch you guys when I'm done. So I already finished. I added the ice and water, all that. I done well, I need to flatten that out a little bit more. But I done added caulk all over it. This is the final. Let me just move this. Let me move my tool belt. This is what it looks like. I gotta add some screws and then we'll be done. Well, that'll be it. Add some screws and then I'm finished. When I'm done with the repair, sometimes I just be chilling on the roof. Look, I should be straight chilling, enjoying the moment, nature, everything. But yeah, I'm about to head out. Probably go to Best Buy real quick to buy a new memory card. But yeah, I am done. That is how you remove it. I know I didn't show it like I do in other videos, but I wasn't aware that my memory card was finna die. But yeah, I'm about to throw all the trash down and then head to Best Buy and buy a new memory card. So yeah, that's it for this repair. That's all the trash, the shingles that I brought up. Luckily I already had shingles, I didn't have to buy new one. I'm not sure what's the last part I left out on, but I am at Best Buy. I went to go buy this SD card. Yeah, SD card so I can record. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my stepmom building, her office. I'm gonna throw all the trash that I don't need, like shingle wise and all that. So I'm gonna do that, and then probably go eat. I'm not sure if I wanna make something to eat or get something to eat, but we'll see. And then I'll probably watch the cat eye. Since I only have one repair, I showed y'all that. I couldn't show you the whole thing like I wanted to, because I wasn't sure how much memory I had left. So I might watch the truck, and then, you know, just show y'all what I do on the regular daily basis when I only have like one repair. So I'll see you guys there. But I know I said I wanted to start like a vending machine business, and honestly I told you I would do it at my stepmom's place, and this is where it's at. I will put it right there. Literally people can come in, look at it, see it, and if they want something, they'll just get it. So that's what I'm planning on doing. Well, I really haven't put too much thought into it, but it is something that I wanted to do. So I'll see, maybe, I don't know. Yo, what's good, guys? I am at the crib. I picked up some Subway, was low-key hungry. Let me show you. Looking good. I get the sweet onion chicken teriyaki with Italian urban cheese and a Fanta. But right now, let me do this real quick. I don't even know what I'm about to do yet, to be honest. What time is it? It's 1:42. I might finish eating, put the truck back there. Probably start washing the cat eye, and I'm not sure if I gotta pick up the kids. If I gotta pick up the kids, I'll quickly wash the cat eye and then pick up the kids. But besides that, this is what I do. I mean, when I only have one repair, this is really what I do. And if my dad needs help or something, then I go over there. So yeah. Hold up, I want to talk to you about something else too. I just got done eating. I'm in the back now. I had to change my shirt. I ain't feel like having the other shirt on. But I think that'll be the end of this vlog. I want to film another vlog. I have like 4 YouTube ideas that I want to post. Because most of y'all, I'm not sure what y'all think of me or this and this. I just been posting work vlogs and something about, I forgot what else. But right now I'm going to talk to y'all about the Ranger. And then I'll probably start talking about why I started YouTube. So hopefully this video comes out sometime this week. And then why I started YouTube, probably Saturday or Monday. This is my work truck. It's a pretty good work truck. I used to have a GMC, but I fell asleep behind the wheel and I crashed, so I went ahead and bought this one. It's a pretty good work truck because I work by myself, so whenever I'm in this one, I mean, I just have space for me. The only reason I don't have no toolbox is because I didn't like how back then in my other truck, when I had a toolbox, the plywood wouldn't fit right. So now I can have it fit nice and easy without a toolbox. I just put my tools in the back. So yeah, I really like it. Oh, let me tell you guys something as well, because I've been seeing a lot of comments like asking or like saying stuff. Look, my dad has his own business. He has crews, people that work for him. My dad does is find more work for them so they can eat and, you know, have work, you know, type mess like that. Me, I have my own LLC, my own business, but I do roof repairs only. I do work under my name. Or sometimes when my dad needs a roof repair, he obviously tells me like, hey, I need you to do this for me. Can you go do it? Blah, blah, blah. That's the only time I work for him, you know, when he has jobs for me. So that's how we work, you know. But besides that, my dad says that he doesn't ever want to like work with me or like do business with me. Other than what, like, oh, can you do this? Then yes. But any other thing else, he doesn't want to because, you know, I mean, family and business don't really mix well. So I would never want to interrupt our relationship we got. So yeah, I have a contractor and he gives me work, or I try to find jobs under my name. Or if not, my uncle, I ask him if he needs help. If he needs help, I go help him. My other uncle, same thing. He does roofing. Sometimes he needs me, sometimes he don't. So overall, I have one contractor that gives me work. My dad, if he ever needs help. My other uncle, if he needs help. My other uncle, if he needs help. So that's 4 different people that I could help out. So that's where I, you know, luckily I've learned what I've learned and I can help each person out. So I'm learning TFO over there. I'm learning stuff over here. So I know about a majority of everything. So yeah, so I do not work for my dad, but when he has jobs, obviously I'm working for him type mess, but we don't work for the same company. He has his own thing going on. I have my own thing going on. So yeah, that's just to clarify to people, you know. But at the same time, my dad was the one that told me to get into roof repairs. I didn't know what I was going to do in life, but I told him I want to be a roofer only because you do roofing. So I already explained it in my other video, but for people that aren't going to watch that one and is going to watch this one, my dad told me to get into roof repairs. So there's this company that gives my dad roofs, you know, they give him roofs, they give him jobs, and they told me like, yo, like we need people if you want to come, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I ended up doing. I stayed there for like a year and a half. I learned majority of the stuff and I left, started my own thing. And ever since then, life has been good, you know. So I'm very proud of that. I'm glad I took his advice and all that, started my own business and blah blah. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm really proud of. A lot of people in my TikTok comments were saying that I do roof repairs because the real workers don't want to something about that I'm a fake worker or stupid stuff like that. But what people don't know, bro, is the roof repair money is really good. I could make up to like almost like 250 to like 500 in one simple roof repair. I can charge however much I want. If I charge good, I'm gonna be straight. If I have 5 repairs a week or 10 repairs, it's gonna be a really good week, you know? A lot of people don't understand that. There's people that talk like that have small ass mindsets. They're never gonna get nowhere. But you know what? At the end of the day, I wish you the best. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, the repair money got me that truck, got me the Ranger, got me the Cat Eye. So, yeah, I mean, I'm doing good. I mean, I can't complain. I mean, I wish I had more work. Right now, I only had 1 repair. And yesterday I had 2 repairs. In the summer, I know it's going to be hectic because last summer I was doing up to 4 or 5 repairs a week. So, hopefully this summer it goes really well. But you know what? That'll be the end of this vlog. A little small repair, you know. I'm gonna make another video after this talking about why I started YouTube, so stay tuned for that one. I'll probably post this one in a few days. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.